This time we have complex number expressed in rectangular form, and we're supposed to raise that number to the second power. What we're supposed to do over here, we're supposed to remember the formula for the square of the difference. So this is the formula: a minus b to the second power is equal a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. 5 is my a and j3 is my b. So I have 5 to the second power minus 2 times a, which is equal 5, times b, which is equal j3, plus j3 to the second power. 5 to the second power is equal 25, minus 2 times 5 is equal 10, times 3 is equal 30, so it's minus j 30, plus j to the second power is what? J squared, and 3 to the second power is equal 9. So I have 25 minus j 30. J to the second power is equal negative 1. So I have plus negative 1 times 9. I have 25 minus j 30, positive times negative gives me negative, and I have 1 times 9 is 9. Next, I'm supposed to combine the like terms, and I have 25 minus 9 is equal 16 minus j 30. This is the solution to my problem.